Hey friends, this is Miss Hendry. All right, we're going to look at our day one lesson on David. All right, this is from 1 Samuel 17:34 through 37, and then also found in 1 Samuel 17 1 through 50. All right, so David was a shepherd boy. And shepherds are people who look after sheep. They look after and take care of sheep. Some shepherds had many responsibilities. They had to take the sheep to green grass, find them some shade to lie down in, and they also had to take them close to water. David, though, was a very special shepherd. He was young, but he was a worshiper. He loved to sing songs to God, and he would oftentimes play his harp for his sweet sheep. Sometimes being a shepherd was hard. You were all by yourself, and you had to keep all of those sheep safe, not only from eating something bad, but also from predators. And predators are animals that would want to hurt the sheep. We're going to talk about what predators he had to fight tomorrow.